This module will focus on installation. The first step for installing a Quatra system is to have the cables installed. If any LAN cable is longer than 100 meters, one Quatra range extender may be used to expand a coverage unit cable to 200 meters. It is designed to work with Quatra signaling. Off-the-shelf extenders will not work. Once the cabling is installed, install the network unit antenna, and coverage units. Secure the network unit mounting plate to a wall using the supplied screws and wall anchors. Next, connect the LAN cable. Coverage unit cables, antenna cables, and the power cable to the network unit. And then snap the network unit onto the mounting plate, but do not plug the power supply into the wall outlet yet. The network unit must be mounted vertically and not laid down flat on a surface. Next, mount the antenna according to the antenna mounting instructions. Cables may be fed out of the hole in the bottom of either unit, or they can pass through the opening in the lower portion of the mounting plate. The coverage units may be mounted in any orientation to a wall, ceiling, or ceiling tile. For mounting to a wall or ceiling, secure the mounting plate using the supplied screws and anchors. For mounting to a ceiling tile, insert the long wall screws through the mounting plate and ceiling tile and into the holes in the metal back plate, making sure not to over-tighten the screws and warp the plate. Route the cable through a hole in the tile or through the opening on the bottom of the unit, plug it in, and snap the coverage unit onto the mounting plate. If you need to remove the unit from the mounting plate, gently strike upwards on the unit with your hand. Finally, plug in the network unit power supply. You should see the power LED on the front of the network unit light up, and the system will begin the power-up sequence. The status LEDs for the connected coverage units will also begin to light once the network unit begins to communicate with them. In this video, you installed the coverage unit cables and optional extenders, installed the antenna and antenna cables, installed the network unit with all cables attached, installed the coverage units, powered up the Quatra network unit. System installation is now complete, and the system will need to be commissioned to operate. Please see the Commissioning and Management module for more information.